Right, okay, we're at Andy's Fish Bar. Well, there's a park around the corner and the wind is howling through here. Sky's looking a bit iffy as well. But we're on our way down to London to the National Fish and Chip Awards, and we're really looking forward to it. We're there overnight and tomorrow day, and then we'll be staying just outside of London somewhere and having a look at a few more chippies. But this one I've been watching for quite some time. So let's get cracking. I hope I can cut this wind noise out. Oh, na, 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 it's the Chippy Tour. Right, we've got the chicken kebab in a naan, and there was a couple of choices of chicken. This one's the tikka. So I'm just going to have a little bit of that with some tomato, cucumber. Oh, that's nice. A little bit of lettuce. A tiny little bit of naan. Well, there's plenty of weight to it. The salad's nice and crisp and fresh. Tons of flavour. Look at the size of that thing. You know, the service was excellent. Everything freshly prepared. Look at that. Look at all the meat in here. Fabulous. It's a mint and yogurt sauce. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Highly recommended. We got their large haddock, large peas, and this is a small chips. Oh, don't know about that. I love the packaging. I love this cardboard around these chips. They do look nice. I like them like that. Thick, not overdone looking. I don't mind them a little bit paler. I'm just going to put a bit more salt on. Yeah, they're good chips. Let's try the mushy pea. Oh, that's a nice combination. It really is. Now, I like my peas like cement, bordering on going off. Setting. Not going off as in going off, but setting. You know what I mean. And these are a little lighter than that, but they're absolutely delicious. No crazy additives. Large haddock. Oh, look. Even got a little piece off there. That batter looks nice. Yeah, that's a lovely looking piece of haddock. And that batter, that is crispy. For the thickness of it, you'd think it would have dried out, that end bit there. Absolutely spot on. Let's have a crack at the thick end. Two and a half hours in the car to get here. What a fabulous pit stop this is. You know what? The place was absolutely spotless. Huge space inside. Plenty of seating to the left as you go in. Large counter. There's a fish tank. And it has, I think, some sort of African species, maybe some South American species going on in there. Freshwater all the same. Absolutely spot on. Service is great. Smiles, chatty. It's back to the computer. Once we get back, it's going to be sort of weekend now. It's only, where are we? I don't even know where we are, Tuesday. Once we get back up from London and down that way, we'll look at a low review, somewhere in the middle, a high review, and I'll write mine. So see you there.
Let's get straight to these reviews. Rated 4.4 out of 5 stars on Google Reviews for 376 reviews. 2-star. Been using Andy's for years, and it's usually very good, but tonight's was awful. Asked for large curry, which was wrapped, then put in a shallow tray. Needless to say, when I opened it, the lid had split and the curry was all over the paper. Why? Chips were cold and chewy. Worst meal I've ever had from there. Response from the owner. Hi there. Sorry to hear about the experience tonight, mate. If you have been using us for years, it's a shame you couldn't approach us with the issues so we could rectify, refund this for you. I apologise on behalf of the team at Andy's tonight. If you happen to have taken any photos, please send them across to us on Facebook. All customer feedback is highly appreciated, whether it is good or bad. Have a great evening. 4-star. Food is good, Not amazing as it used to be. Unfortunately, the price isn't as reasonable as it used to be for the same items. Overall, it's good. Staff are lovely and love the fish display. 5 star. A great place. I've been coming here for over 30 years. Always good quality. Food and lovely service. Response from the owner. Thank you, Dave. Really appreciate your custom over the years and your feedback. Chris. Mine. 5 star. Externally, Andy's Fish Bar is well designed, with large colourful signage. Inside, it is clean and tidy, with dining to one side and seating for those waiting for a takeaway the other, next to a large aquarium housing some interesting fish species. The staff were warm, friendly and polite, and the service was excellent. Free wooden forks and napkins were provided in a small paper bag, which was a nice touch. All packaging was paper and cardboard. The chicken kebab, wrapped in a naan and filled with tasty chunks of seasoned chicken and fresh salad, was generously sized and delicious. The chips were thick, well cooked and plentiful for the small portion I ordered. The large haddock was served in its own box, which helped retain the crispy, tasty batter. The haddock itself was lovely and fresh, moist and delicious. The mushy peas were also very nice. Cooking in oil, but check for days when they cook in beef strip. Hygiene rating 5, cash or card. Fish review, large haddock. See you on the next one.
Oh, na na na, it's the Chippy Tour, cruising the coast, can't ignore. With every bite, I'm loving it more. Saving the chippies, that's what I'm for. Yo, I hit the road, got salt in my veins. From London to Scotland, through sunshine and rain. Fish and chips in my hand, it's a noble quest. Supporting the classics, yeah, I'm doing my best. Met a bloke in Troon with a tempura squid. A castle in Wales where I had my bit.